Hi, judges. I'm Connor Bezant, and I appreciate the time you're taking to understand how my senior project fully illustrates the skills I learned while at BYU Idaho. The project was about creating a social media strategy for RMC Guide Service, which is an Eastern Tennessee fishing tour company. The scope of the project was to lay the foundation for the company and to teach an RMC team member about social media marketing. I conducted competitor audits, designed a style guide, created a content calendar and strategy, as well as create content for the account. I regularly met the CEO on company goals, visions, and how it can help set them up for success. The main objective of this project was to educate an RMC team member on social media marketing. This included Instagram analytics, how to find trends, what different metrics meant, and how to create a strategy from data trends. I also included him on the content strategy process and the benefits of maintaining a content calendar, which I created one that lasted from September to January. Helping him understand the company's style guide and tone and voice for the account was pivotal, as I set the style guide and taught him how to use Photoshop and Adobe Pro for content creation. The content strategy included using Ingrammer and Keyhole to find data-supported hashtags and any trends on the platform relevant to the industry. The strategy I created for RMC included the media timing, CTA, caption length, tagging and geotagging, as well as who to follow to help use the platform's algorithm for RMC's benefit. As you can see here, this is an example of some of the research I did for Ingrammer on the keyword research. As you can see, just having East Tennessee as a hashtag has spikes over time, and as you can look at the dates, it shows that the spikes were included only during the times that the fishing season was relevant. Looking at Keyhole, just looking at the keyword of Tennessee, is that you can see that there is a frequent, average, and rare category. Since RMC is a smaller company, I didn't want to try to combat the Tennessee hashtag with 9.28 million hashtags to use on posts. And so I use more of the average and the rare hashtags that could help solidify them in their space. The content style guide was about being friendly, welcoming, empowering, and eager to instruct new learners, since that is RMC's motto. The images included the landscape background, client facing away from the photo, or the client facing towards the photo while holding the fish that they just caught. Videos included the landscape background and client reeling in a fish. Here's an example of the content calendar I created for January. This content calendar illustrates the different topics that I needed so that when planning future posts, that is going to be no delay in the post timing. This will help maintain the media timing, help maintain the strategy, and help maintain a solidified RMC tour. The competitor audit that I chose to include in this example is Melton Hillbill Fishing Guide. In this competitor audit, I found different metrics, including the average likes, comments, captions, views, and hashtags, as well as more qualitative trends and things I noticed that could benefit and that RMC could take from this competitor. This is a spreadsheet example that I used while completing this audit. This audit was up to about 3 months, standard across all competitors, and these are the different metrics and data I collected on each one. These are the top 3 posts I included in the report I sent to the CEO, just so that they could have a visual understanding of what their competitor is doing, the different style, their tone, voice, their captions, their lengths, and their timing as well. This is an example of RMC's platform account from an overview shot. These are the 8 posts that I took, as well as one of the videos. Here's an example of the post analytics that I included in the report to the CEO. A part of these screenshots included one of the takeaways included on the report, which was that we were maintaining the same impressions every week for the second month of the account being active. In the second example, we can see a same just pull away and take away that 35% of the content interactions in the last 7 days compared to the first month of the account being active. This shows that we're increasing engagement from followers and being able to push that trend. And I also created in-season strategy from the season that came back around in the early to mid-spring. This included tagging clients in posts, having a client discount for commenting friends on posts to be able to have more reach, to continually maintain the content calendar style strategy, and then to also do competitor audits as their competitors may be doing their own research and may be changing their own strategies and tactics. Here's a testimonial from the RMC CEO, Ryan McClurkin. Connor was able to build my vision for the future of the company and broaden the marketing efforts. He completed the individual tasks ahead of time with a high quality of work and maintained great communication throughout the process. I am eager to see the long-term results of the social media plan that he built the foundation for. And the overview of my time log shows that about 11 hours split between three categories are spent on content creation, which is taking videos and images as well as editing them, CEO meetings and presentations to be able to understand, to keep the CEO informed of what's going on, why we're doing the things that we're doing, and how the strategy is benefiting us. 8.25 hours are spent on internal training that team member so that he can keep taking the strategy on for the future. 7 hours worth of strategy research and 5.5 hours of strategy tool creation. This includes teaching the internal training on Adobe Pro, looking at different softwares such as Ingramer, as Keyhole, as Aurora, and other management platforms that the company could benefit off of. After this, we have the detailed breakdown of the time log. Again, judges, thank you so much for your time. I hope this illustrates more on how I was able to take the skills that I learned from BYU Idaho and can apply them to my future career.